Hi there, my name is Shannon Allen. I'm the founder of Aroma Boutique, and I just want to personally thank you for choosing our bath rituals as a tool to help you release any tension you may be feeling, help you get grounded and centered so that you leave the bath or your shower feeling restored. Each of our bath rituals will have a base mixture of pink Himalayan salt and Epsom salts. Pink Himalayan salts are highly anti-inflammatory, meaning they will help calm any inflammation that you may be feeling in your body or your skin. This salt is also fabulous for drawing in moisture deeper into your skin. Epsom salts are a wonderful tool for exfoliation. The salts will help you naturally exfoliate and slush off all of that dead, dry skin. Rest is a fabulous bath ritual to use when you're ready to wind down from your day so that you can have a restful sleep. Rest contains our pink Himalayan salt, Epsom salt blend, along with coconut milk powder. Coconut milk powder is packed with vitamins. It contains the vitamins of C, E, B1, B3, B5, and B6. This fabulous coconut milk powder also contains high levels of vitamin C, which is great in helping your skin maintain elasticity and flexibility. This bath salt contains the essential oils of patchouli and French lavender. Patchouli helps you balance your emotions and can help rekindle any desire in you, and also help contain and kind of calm any anxiety that you may be feeling from your day. French lavender is a fabulous essential oil that helps you soothe any muscular pains that you may be having that arise from having any tension, and also helps calm restlessness. French lavender is known for helping you have a wonderful quality of sleep. I hope that you enjoy this bath ritual, and I hope you have a wonderful night's sleep. Down in the video notes, you will see a link for Insight Timer. I have paired up different meditations that I think work wonderful with each bath ritual. So go ahead, soak, plug into a wonderful meditation, and take a moment to clear your mind so that you are ready for your day or ready for a restful night's sleep. Enjoy.